Greetings everyone and welcome to another episode of Road to be Proficient in Python. On today's challenge we have arithmetic operators. The task is to read two integers and make some operations with them. So on the task description it says like you read two integers a and b. The first line contains the sum, the second the difference, and the third the product. It has a quick example here with a equals 3, b equals 5, sum, difference, product. It says so, it has constraints, example, and an explanation. So let's go straight to the code structure with those. Here we have the sum of the integers. Here we have the difference, and here, the product. So we print a plus b, we print a minus b, and we print a times b. And we have some constraints, so we need to tab this thing here and say if a greater equal than 1 and a less than 100, put this on parentheses and in parentheses, and take this one again, but that time for b, and I think it's time on the 10, yeah, 10, 10, and now we're jet. So that's it, I think. Let's run it. Read. We need to put parentheses. Sorry. Yeah, I think when you do like operations, you need to put parentheses. If it's a string, you can straight put double quotes. Run it. Correct. Submit the code. So that was the challenge. I hope you like it and see you in the next one.